Another beautiful day today to be alive and to trade. All right, let's look at the economic calendar. We had building permits today. Tomorrow we got the big heavy hitter. We got Fed interest rate decision, FOMC economic projections, and then Fed Powell speaking at 2:30. So this is going to be a crazy, crazy volatile time. All right. So what am I expecting for today? I'm expecting for price to either really be choppy and move sideways, or I'm expecting it to make a huge move to set up for tomorrow. All right. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K. All right. It's been a long journey so far, but it's been great. I've been learning a lot. And hit the like button for me. Let's get into the charts. Trying to find some levels here that we can work off of, but it doesn't really seem to show much. Price bounced at a very weird level. There's really nothing that price could have bounced off of here. All right, so if let's just remove that because it's a little confusing. So looking at the 1 hour chart, the 1 hour chart isn't really giving us much information except that it bounced over at an area that doesn't look like it'll be likely to bounce. There is a volume imbalance right here on MES. On MNQ, there isn't really a level that price would have bounced off of except for maybe this order block right here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to drill down to a 15-minute chart, look at the different cycles. Price is kind of just, I don't know, it's kind of just moving. There's no level that price would have really bounced off of here, so it's kind of just moving out a way where it kind of wants to without showing us anything. There's no hand that the candles are showing me right now. So when this happens, it's better to just sit on our hands. Look at the kill zone levels. London took out Asia high and London low was taken with Asia low before market open. Okay, so this is telling me a little bit more. This is telling me that market could head down lower. Okay, so this is basically just a retracement back up. There is a 15-minute fair value gap right here. All right, so what I am seeing is a 15-minute fair value gap on ES and NQ. NQ definitely looks weaker. If ES breaks through this and heads up, then this could definitely inverse into these equal highs or maybe even London high for ES. NQ looks definitely weak, so I'm not going to be looking at NQ right now if I want to go long. Now we're already at equilibrium. This would be OTE right here. So if I were to go long on ES, then I would target this area right here, midnight open. Yeah, I mean, everything is just telling me that we should just wait. So that's going to be the game plan today. Again, if you haven't subscribed, then please hit if you haven't subscribed, then hit the subscribe button to follow me on my journey. We're going to be patient today because there is huge news tomorrow. If you don't have a trade today, then so be it. That's going to be it. I'm just going to turn off my computer and let's just sit tight, see what price delivers. Sorry, I was on a call, so I wasn't able to I wasn't able to show the first trade on my second funded account. I basically took a short on ES right here and sent it down. I took profits here. I think I scaled out here and here. So I'm done with that account. I am now going to be trading the funded account that I've been tracking with y'all since March. So this is a trade idea that I have right now. I'm expecting price to come up over this order block, the 5-minute order block right here. Come up, down, and then send price up higher. We'll see if that trade plan pans out. So we'll see. There is a 1-minute order block right here as well. That's kind of in line. Now if it breaks and comes back down, I'm entering. All right. Price decided to come down, but not deep into the median. into the mean threshold. Will I get tagged in? Tagged in. Okay. So we are in. Let's see how this trade pans out. All right, so yeah, why don't you all leave comments below? Let me know how y'all did. Did y'all take a short from here down to here? Did y'all enter the same long as me? Let me know what your status is. I'm closing this out. I don't like the way that price is moving right now. So I close that out. I had no idea that I was recording right now, but I did enter two positions here, MES and MNQ. I took this position because of this imbalance right here, how it reacted off of. I kind of rushed my entry. I should have entered when it retraced back up into this fair value gap, but my bias was still bearish, so it's okay. I just need to practice a little more patience. I'm gonna move my stop loss up to the body right here. And the ES, it bounced off of the previous cycle's order block, so that's why I took that trade. So far it's looking good. Let me see what the 5-minute candle looks like. Yeah, so far this target looks good here. This target looks good here. So we'll just wait and see how everything reacts, pans out. So it kind of looks like MNQ. Oh yeah, previous day's lows was already taken for MNQ. It looks like it wants to head back down into previous day's lows. Maybe I should just take. I'm just gonna take it here on MNQ. It did a lot already. For MES, price looks like it's. I'm still gonna target that. But for MNQ, the reason why I closed that early is because price had already taken previous day's lows. It could very much definitely go back down into previous day's lows, but I didn't want to be greedy. I wanted to take profits right now, and I didn't want to be glued to the computer all day. All right, waiting for price to hit these equal lows here, and I should be done for the day. If it hits my buy stop, then I'll be out at a little over break even, and then I'm going to be dusting my hands, closing my computer, and I'll be done for the day. All right, I am done for the day. All right, y'all. Let's take a look at the performance summary for my first Apex funded account that y'all have been tracking with me since March 1st. Today I did $248, 3 trades total, 3 winning trades, 0 losing trades. These are my executions here. I am at $2,600 in equity. So what that means is that now the trailing max drawdown, the daily trailing max drawdown is now not effective unless it goes below 2,600 again. So basically acts as like a normal cash account. This is my second funded account that I will be tracking. On this account, I took a total of 4 trades, 3 winning trades, 1 losing trade. This one I am actually risking a little bit more. So I did trade 1 E-mini, okay? Not micros. So this is the funded account that we've been tracking since March 1st. Today we did $248, For the week, we are at $393.96. Let's actually update the spreadsheet. And every day we are getting closer. Again, we are following this trade plan. I'm only supposed to be trading 1 micro. Definitely not doing that. But we are ahead so far by about 4 weeks, 5 weeks, I think. So by week 11, we were supposed to be at 2,600. We're at 2,600 right now at week 4. So we're ahead about, what, 7 weeks? And at 7 weeks, we are now supposed to be adding $480 a week in equity, okay? So we're going to start ramping things up a little bit. The entire goal, at week 41, I should be at 100K, and that would be the goal for this channel, right? Making 100K for by the end of the year. For this month, we are at 2.6K. This is the new funded account that we're tracking. We did $250. If we add the 2 funded accounts, we did $498.16 total for the day. Now let's look at the executions. This is the first funded account that we've been tracking since March. Shorted 4 here, bought 4 here. I was targeting here, and I didn't like how price was moving, so I just took profits. Same with this. I entered here for long here, and I didn't like how price was moving, so I took profits for about $17, and I sold here, and I bought here. Original target was down here, but I didn't like how price was moving, so I closed out my position right there at the bottom. Funded account number 2. Yeah, this one I closed early. I didn't. I realized that I was over trading, so I just closed it for a small profit there. My original target was NYC AM low, but I realized that I should just stop trading now and just walk away. But yeah, let me know how y'all did in the comments below. If y'all took the same trades or if y'all took a loss, let me know what y'all learned. I'm very interested to hear how all of y'all are doing on your own trading journey. Again, subscribe if you haven't already. Click in the links below to take advantage of the Apex 80% off sale, 1 day to pass. Also, if you're into crypto, there's a link in the description below to join Brian Jung's Kaizen Discord server, and it's probably one of the best that I've ever been in. If not, it is the best in the crypto space. His calls are amazing. He's about to provide some pretty good insights on what the next moves will be. So if you don't want to miss out on what his insights are, then click in the link in the description below. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.